Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Half Baked Harvest Cookbooks is probably one of the most exciting additions to any home cook's collection. These cookbooks are packed with delicious and unique recipes that will elevate your culinary skills. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, you'll find plenty of inspiration and guidance to create impressive meals that will delight your taste buds and impress your friends and family. Number 5. Magnolia Table. This is a place where you can find delicious recipes and heartwarming stories. It is a celebration of food, family, and the joy of gathering around the table. Inside, you'll find a variety of recipes, from comforting classics to fresh, new ideas. It offers something for everyone, whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out. The goal is to inspire you to create memorable meals and share them with the people you love. It's all about making connections and building traditions. This is more than just a cookbook, it's a source of inspiration for your kitchen and your life. It encourages you to embrace the simple pleasures of cooking and eating together. Let this be your guide to creating lasting memories around the table. It's a reminder that the best moments are often shared with good food and good company. What we like. This cookbook focuses on classic comfort food. It's perfect for those who enjoy traditional dishes. If you're looking for reliable, family-friendly recipes, this is the one for you. What people say. It's a collection of their family recipes from both sides, so it's a great blend of mostly southern comfort food, with a few Syrian and Korean dishes with a family-friendly, yet sophisticated vibe. Her recipes are easy, flavorful, and call for everyday ingredients. The recipes in Magnolia Table are a delightful mix of classic American dishes and personal family favorites, all infused with Joanna's warmth and passion for cooking. Number 4. Half Baked Harvest Super Simple Cookbook. This cookbook is packed with over 125 recipes. It features instant, overnight, meal prepped, and easy comfort foods. You'll find something for every occasion. Need a quick and tasty meal? This book has you covered. It offers a variety of recipes that are ready in a flash, perfect for busy weeknights. Prepare your breakfast or dinner the night before. This cookbook includes recipes that are designed to be made overnight, saving you time and effort. Simplify your weekly meal planning. The book provides meal prep-friendly recipes, making healthy eating more convenient. It helps you stay on track with your goals. Indulge in your favorite comfort foods without the fuss. This cookbook offers simple recipes for classic dishes, bringing warmth and satisfaction to your table. It makes cooking enjoyable. What we like. This cookbook is all about super simple recipes. It's designed for quick meals and meal prepping. If you have a busy lifestyle and need easy, convenient recipes, you should consider this one. What people say. The book is my go-to when I do not have much time, but I still want to cook at home. There is a very good balance of the recipes. The recipes are fun and the book is designed with love and care. Number 3. Half Baked Harvest Cookbook, Recipes from My Barn. This cookbook is filled with amazing recipes. It offers a variety of dishes, perfect for any occasion. You'll love the diverse and flavorful options. The recipes are inspired by the author's life in the mountains. She shares her favorite dishes, created in her own barn. It's like bringing a piece of her home to yours. Each recipe comes with clear, easy-to-follow instructions. Even if you're a beginner, you can create these delicious meals. The cookbook makes cooking fun and accessible. The cookbook features beautiful photography that will inspire you. The images showcase the finished dishes, making you want to cook them immediately. It's a feast for the eyes. Whether it's a weeknight dinner or a special celebration, this cookbook has you covered. It provides recipes for all types of meals. It's a must-have for any kitchen. What we like. This cookbook features recipes inspired by mountain life. It offers a rustic cooking style. If you like unique recipes and a touch of mountain charm, you should choose this one. What people say. The HBH cookbook contains the same mix of healthy and decadent offerings, ranging from meat-y and cheese-y to vegetarian, as the blog does. Every recipe is so intriguing and the photographs are beautiful. I like the diversity of ingredients she uses. It's not same old, and I always look forward to trying one. Number 2. Half Baked Harvest Everyday Cookbook. Are you looking for balanced and flexible meals? This cookbook is filled with recipes that are designed to make you feel good. It offers a variety of options for every day. This book simplifies cooking. It provides easy-to-follow recipes that fit into your busy lifestyle. You'll find something for every occasion. This cookbook focuses on creating balanced meals. It helps you incorporate healthy ingredients into your diet. It's all about feeling your best. Whether you have dietary restrictions or preferences, this book has you covered. It offers flexible recipes that can be adapted to suit your needs. It's designed to be inclusive. This cookbook is all about enjoying delicious food that makes you feel good. It's filled with recipes that are both satisfying and nourishing. It's perfect for everyday cooking. What we like. This cookbook offers balanced meal options. It provides flexible recipes for everyday eating. If you are looking for feel-good meals, this cookbook is perfect for you. What people say. Every recipe is meticulously detailed, providing clear instructions and helpful tips that ensure success in the kitchen. I love her flavors and combination of meat and vegetarian recipes. There is a good mix of dishes, some rather simple and some complex or time-consuming, which is awesome since I'm human and don't always want to cook, and sometimes I want to go all out. Number 1. Barefoot Contessa Cookbook, Go to Dinners. This cookbook is your guide to creating delicious and easy meals. It's filled with recipes that are perfect for busy weeknights, making dinner a breeze. With this book, you can learn how to host dinner parties without stress. It provides simple yet elegant recipes that will impress your guests. Discover recipes that are both quick to prepare and incredibly tasty. It's designed to help you get dinner on the table fast without sacrificing flavor. The recipes are created by the Barefoot Contessa herself, ensuring quality and ease. She shares her secrets to making cooking enjoyable and accessible. This cookbook is the perfect solution for anyone looking to simplify their weeknight dinners. It offers a variety of options to suit any taste. What we like. This cookbook focuses on easy dinner recipes. It's got the Barefoot Contessa's signature style. If you like simple, delicious dinners, you should choose this one. What people say. The book is brimming with a variety of recipes, each embodying INA's philosophy of using good quality, easily accessible ingredients to create delicious meals. The cookbook is beautifully presented, with stunning photography that not only showcases the dishes but also serves as inspiration for plating and presentation. Beyond recipes, the book offers valuable tips and techniques for cooking and entertaining, reflecting INA's wealth of experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.